Hello, in this video, let us discuss the objective type questions given in assignment 2 of Python for data science. Which of the following object does not support indexing? Tuple, list, dictionary, and set. So among these four, set is not iterable, so it may not be accessed using index. So this is the correct one. The second one is given a NumPy array, arr is equal to np.array. It is a two-dimensional array. At the lower dimension, we have one list and index is 0. For this list, index is 1. For this list, it is 2. Now, all these things are put together and put it in another dimension. And in the second dimension, this is the index. So print arr 0, 1 means it will access all the three elements. That is this 0. Then from that it will go to 1. That is this one. So the answer for this is 4, 5, 6. Now let us see the third question. What is the output of the following code? Here S is a set, this one is a set, and L is a list. For I in range, length of S. Here length of S is 4. So range 4 means it will create numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. So I will get the values 0, 1, 2, 3. When I is 0, 1 plus 0 will be a list, and that list will be appended with L because the plus sign indicates that it will be appended. So the first element in the list L will be 1. Then when I is 1, then 1 plus 1 is 2. So that will be added in the list. So 2. Then when I is 2, it will be 3. When I is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 will be added in the list. So finally, L will have 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, this answer is correct. Now let us see the next one. What is the output of the following code? Import NumPy as np, arr, np.array, np.arange, like this. Print arr.reshape 3, 5. Here, this function arange will create an array. So it is a single dimensional array, starts from 0, 1. Since the value given here is 15, it will go up to 14, but it will start at 0. Now this is an array. Now this array is passed to this function np.array. So it doesn't mean that it will be again converted into an array, so it will become as two-dimensional array. It is not correct. So there will not be any change. You will have only one-dimensional array like this. Now we have to use reshape function. So this array will be converted to a two-dimensional array with 3 rows and 5 columns. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 elements. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this will be one row, and this will be another row, and this will be the third row. So you have 3 rows, and in each row you have 5 elements, so 5 columns. So the complete thing should be enclosed by square brackets. So it indicates that it is a two-dimensional array. So the output will be like this only. So you see here it is up to 3 only. So this is 5. If you come down, you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is correct. This option is correct. And here 0 is not there. So this is also wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. Only the third option is correct. Now let us see the next question. Which of the following code gives output my friend's house is in Chennai? So here, friends, there is a single quote. Now in the output, if single quote is to be printed, then the complete sentence should be enclosed by double quotes. So here you see this place is equal to Chennai. It is a string with single quote. Print my friend's house is in this format symbol, format place. So in this place, Chennai will be printed. So here, friend's house. So this single quote is enclosed by these two double quotes. So this single quote will be printed correctly. So this is correct. Then in the next option, place is equal to Chennai. Now here, friends is there, but it is enclosed by two single quotes. So there will be a confusion here where that string ends. So this is not correct. Here my friend's house is in, here also same problem. So the sentence is enclosed by two single quotes. So this will not be printed properly. So this is also not correct. Now if you come here, double quotes are there. Within that single quote is there. So this is correct. And when you are coming here, this will be replaced by Chennai. So here the name is given, variable name is given. Here the value itself is given. You can give anything, both will be correct. So this is also correct. So the first option and fourth options are correct. Now let us go to the next one. Let T1 is equal to 1, comma 2, comma tuple, that is string, comma 4, and T2 is equal to 5, 6, 7. Which of the following will not give any error? That means which are correct. Now, if you take the first option, T1 append, actually tuple is immutable. You may not change any value. So, you may not append, you may not add any value to the tuple. So, this append function is not provided for tuple, so this will not work. Now, if you take T2 of T1 of 1, so here T1 is here, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the indexes. T1 of 1 means this 2. So you will have T2 of 2. That is, this 2 will come here. So T2 of 2 is, T2 is here. This is 0, 1, 2. The element 2 exists, so there will not be any error. So this is correct. Here T3 is equal to T1 plus 2 plus T2. That means these two will be concatenated. So this is also correct. It will work. Here T1 comma T2, those two are put as a single tuple. So two tuples will be put as it is and it will be enclosed by this bracket. So it will be another tuple. This is also correct. Here tuple T1 is converted to list. T2 is also converted to list. Both will be put as a single tuple. So this will also work. So all the four will work except the first option. Now let us see the next one. Let D is equal to 1 colon Python 2 colon Actually, this is a dictionary, and this is the key. This is the key. You can use numbers as keys or strings as keys, and these are the values. Which among the following will not give the error after the execution? See, in this case, d of 2. D of 2 means this one, this key. Append 4. That means you will be appending 4 with this list. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is correct. Which among the following will not give the error? So this will not give error. And now D of 0. Actually, there is no index called 0 here. Only indexes are 1 and 2. So D of 0 is not there. So this will give error. So this is not correct. And D of 1 is equal to 1. That means another element with string 1 as key and its value as 1 will be newly created. It will not give any error. So this is correct. In this case, the fourth option, d dot update. Update function is available for the dictionary, and in that case another element is given with the key 1 and its value 2. So this is also correct. It will not give any error. So only the second option will give error. The remaining options are correct. Which of the following data type is immutable? Immutable means it may not be changed. Actually, the elements in the list may be changed, and in the set also you can append, but that append or update, those functions are not available for tuple because it is immutable. Dictionary can also be extended or appended. So we have already seen here. Only tuple is immutable. Now let us see the next one. Student is equal to name, then age, courses. So it is a dictionary, and these are the keys. This is key and this is value. Similarly, this is key, this is value, this is key, and for that key a list has been assigned. Which among the following will return name is equal to Jan, that is not changed, but age has been updated, and courses no change, and a new element phone has been added. So if you see the first one, student update, age is equal to 26. It is correct, but it will not provide the dictionary like this. Only one element is changed. Now you take the next one, age is 26 and phone has been added. So this will work, this is correct. This will provide the expected output. In the third case, these two instructions are executed together. That means first phone number is added as a new element. Then age is updated to 26. When you use these two instructions together, it will provide the expected output like this. So the second one is correct and this one is correct. Now let us see the next one. What is the output of the following code? Name is equal to Magesh. The list L is equal to empty. For I in name, L dot append, I dot capitalize, print L. So here from the name, first I will be assigned M, then A, then H. When I is M, I dot capitalize is capital M, a separate character. And append means that will be appended to this list. So initially you will have M, then A will be taken, that will be capitalized. So it will be A, then H. So you will have the list like this. So all the letters provided here will be converted to capital letters and it will be put in a list. So here, this is correct, this is correct. So this answer is correct. Here, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is also wrong. Because the first letter is small letter here. And here, all letters are small letters. Here, the remaining letters are small letters except M. So only this first option is correct.